How to delete Zomato account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Zomato account. To do so, first of all, you'll need to open your Zomato application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Here at the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to locate your profile icon. Simply tap on it and then you will be taken to this page. Here now you will need to find Settings option from this menu. Simply scroll down and at the very bottom just above the logout option, there you will be able to locate the Settings option. Simply tap on it and you will reach to this page. Now within this settings menu, you will need to select the account settings option. Simply select the option and inside it here you will be able to locate delete account option. Now you just simply need to tap on this option. And then here, Zomato will ask you to select a reason for deleting your account, as this is the part of their feedback process. Once selecting one of these options, you will be taken to this page. Here now, you will need to select this delete my account option. It also says that you'll not be able to retrieve your account once it has been deleted. If you agree with that, then simply tap on this delete my account. One-time password will be sent to your email address associated to your account. You will need to wait for the code and once you get that code, enter it in this field. Once after entering the code, tap on the submit button right here and within few seconds you will see you have successfully deleted your Zomato account. Now after deleting this account, in the future if you would like to create a new account, you may use the same phone number or the email if you want. So by following these steps, you should be able to delete your Zomato account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.